Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to install the driver for a laser marking machine. We will mainly focus on explaining the installation process for the Ezcad 2 software. Firstly, before installing the driver, make sure that the device is powered on, and the control board is powered on as well. The green LED indicator should be illuminated. Secondly, confirm that the board and the computer are connected with a USB cable. Thirdly, check your computer system, if it is 32-bit or 64-bit. Right-click on this PC, then select Manage or Device Manager. This will let you know if it is a 64-bit system. Next, open Device Manager and click on it. On the right side of the interface, you will find an Other Devices section. Look for USB LMCV2 here, right-click on it, and select Update Driver, click on Browse, and navigate to the location where the driver files are stored. Find the corresponding driver version, 32-bit or 64-bit, and select it, then click OK. Click Next, and the driver will be installed successfully. In the Device Manager, you will see a new device, BJJCZ device, Laser Mark Control Board V2, that means the driver has been installed successfully.